What's up? What's love? What's love? Nothing, nothing, nothing to me. Now you're running light. What's up? What's up? What's love? What's love? Nothing, nothing, nothing to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? It's Natea. So today I'm gonna be featuring a headband wig from a store called Neyoo. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly or if I'm butchering the name. Alright guys, so this is a synthetic headband wig. It comes in the package. You get a wig cap, you get 4 headbands, 4 different styles and colors, and I think that is just awesome. Aren't they cute? They're cute. Alright, so now for the wig. So your wig will come with a mesh over it just to protect the hair, and it has that wide foam kind of thing in there just to keep it shape, you know, during shipping and stuff like that. So that was pretty good. The packaging was cute too. I love that purple. It was nice. Alright guys, so this wig is a synthetic wig. It is 16 inches and the color is 1B. So it looks like a natural blowout. When you have natural hair and you do a blowout, not a silk press but a blowout, and the texture is awesome. So I'm gonna place the wig on my head. With headband wigs, they might seem small, but you have to remember that they're not meant to be placed, you know, the entire perimeter of your head. So yeah, I'm not going to be using the combs because I don't like the tension in my hair, so I'm actually not using the combs. But if I was going to go out in this wig, I would attach one of the comb. So this wig have 3 combs. It has 1 in the center and 2 on each side, but there's no comb in the back. Right, so you have to make sure you lock that velcro down, girl, because there is no comb in the back, and if you don't secure this when the wind blows, this wig will probably fly off. But guys, look at it. Look how cute it is. After I comb it, I got a few strands, but it's nothing crazy, just a few strands, and that was good for me. For this to be a synthetic wig, it just looks so nice. It's full. It's just gorgeous. I'm just alright guys, so I am just putting on one of those headbands just to show you guys what they look like. And yeah, look at it. Look how cute it is. I mean, I keep saying how cute it is and how excited I am about this wig, and that's because that's true. Because look at that, it is so cute. Even when I brush it, it was nice. Okay, nice. So I was asking my daughter if she loved my wig because she was laughing at me. So I was like, do you like my wig, baby girl? Look how cute that is, guys. Oh my god, that is to die for. If y'all don't get no headband wig, get this one. And guys, this was, at the time, this was only $23 and on Amazon, so you can't lose. You just cannot. This is gorgeous. This is like an everyday headband wig. Again, it is 16 inches and that's what the back is looking like. It's full all the way around, and you have to be thankful for that. Can you guys how I was feeling myself? So I'm using this ultra wax thing for my edges, guys. Where I live, it's hot, so these edge control things don't normally work. So I put it on, and 5 minutes later my edges were just oily and not laid. So I'm gonna be sticking to my got to be glued, because that is hold down these edges, and they're not like, hey girl, we're back, we're awake. I don't like that, you know. So So I'm using this Lotta Body Edge Control, and this one is just for the color. So my edges are thin. If you guys remember in my last video how I lost my edges, so I'm using this black one to kind of fill out the sparse spaces and my edges, just to make them a little bit more full. So sis, if you got some thin edges, some edges that's barely there, get you one of those dark black, whatever color your ear is, edge control, sis, because listen, it will help you. It helped me make my edges look full and luscious. Okay, so guys, listen, I was just feeling the wig. I haven't gotten a wig, and once I put it on my head, I was in love. This one is it, and it is synthetic. So this is just a style you can put it in. I kind of like this one. It's pretty cute. Pretty cute. So I was kind of feeling myself, y'all, feeling myself. All right, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys 3 styles you can put it in, and yeah, so this is style number 1. Can y'all tell my excitement? So excited, man, so excited about the wig. And this is one of my favorite. It's still the half up, half down, but with the bun. You know, my excitement cannot be contained. And then this is my final style, and this is another one of my favorite. I like this style. So guys, that is it for this video. If you guys like this wig, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And yeah guys, thank you for tuning in. The wig is awesome. As I said, y'all got to get it. I'm gonna be leaving the link to the wig in the description down below, so you guys can get it if you're interested. But I must tell you, you should get it because it's cute. It's cute and it's affordable. Okay, it's not human, but it behaves like human. So yes, y'all, get this wig. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. Bye bye.
Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door eventually.